Hey YouTube, today we're gonna make a shrimp pizza. Here are the ingredients: one bag of shrimp, but we're not gonna use the whole bag. We have one yellow onion, one yellow pepper, naan bread, flatbread, yellow tomato sauce. We're gonna season it up with some garlic powder, salt, pepper, and finish it off with a little rosemary. This is a lactose-free cheese. I usually use mozzarella, but today I'm going to try a different type of cheese. This is the onions and the yellow pepper sliced up. What we're going to do is just grill it up just a little bit, toss it in the pan. This is what it should look like after you grill it. Okay, so I put a little bit of clarified butter in the pan with the shrimp. What we want to do is cook the shrimp just a little bit on each side. I would say no more than 2 minutes on each side. We just want the outside of the shrimp to get a little bit brown. We're not going to cook the shrimp fully right now. If we do, it will overcook because we're going to let it finish off cooking when I put the cheese on the bread and cover it with the lid so the cheese can melt. The shrimp will actually finish cooking when I get to that step. With the tomato sauce, I like to dazzle it up a little bit with some spices. So here I am putting in the garlic powder, the salt, the pepper. For your own liking, you can put in as much tomato sauce as you desire. I don't like a lot, just a little bit, just to cover the bottom of the bread. And also the same thing with the onions and peppers. Your desired amount is going to be the way you like it. Individually, I like it spread out a little bit in between the shrimp, but as you notice, the shrimp is in whole pieces. If you want, this is up to you. Cut it up into small pieces or keep it in whole pieces. So this is what the cheese looks like after I shredded it in my food processor. You can buy a block of cheese and do it like this, or you can buy a bag of shredded cheese. In my opinion, I feel that the block of cheese tastes a lot better than shredded cheese. What we want to do next is cover the pizza with a lid and let it simmer until the cheese has melted. While it's melting, the bottom of the bread will get a little toasted. So when you bite into that, you're going to feel that nice crunch. This is what it looks like after it's done. I tell you guys, this pizza is phenomenal. It's the best. I really love making homemade pizza. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. See you guys next video, and thanks for watching. Let me know if you make your own pizza in which you change the ingredients to whatever your desire is. Take care, God bless, and stay healthy. Stay safe.